Hello everyone, and welcome to your new favorite warm-up. Today, we're diving into an 8-minute, fully immersive cardio session that will get your entire body ready for whatever workout you have planned. This isn't just about getting your heart rate up. It's an interactive experience designed to make warming up fun, engaging, and super effective. We're going to activate every major muscle group, improve your mobility, and get that blood pumping. All you need is a little bit of space and a positive attitude. No equipment, no complicated moves, just pure energy to start your fitness journey right. Are you ready to feel amazing? Let's get moving! Alright, let's begin with some light jogging in place, just nice and easy. Imagine you're jogging through a beautiful park on a sunny morning. The air is fresh and you're feeling light on your feet. Keep your core engaged and your arms swinging naturally by your sides. We're just waking the body up, telling it that it's time to work. Don't worry about speed right now. Focus on a steady, comfortable rhythm. Let your breathing be natural. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel your body temperature start to rise just a little. We'll be here for about 30 seconds. Great job. Keep it up. 10 more seconds of this gentle pace, and then we'll move on to our next exercise. Okay, let's transition into some butt kicks. Still jogging in place, but now try to bring your heels up towards your glutes. This is fantastic for warming up your hamstrings and quads. Imagine you're trying to playfully kick a ball behind you with each step. Keep your chest up and your shoulders relaxed. If you want to increase the intensity a little, you can pick up the pace, but listen to your body. This is still the warm-up phase. The goal is to get the muscles ready, not to exhaust them. Feel that stretch in the front of your thighs? That's what we're looking for. Keep breathing steadily. You're doing awesome. Just a little longer here. Now, let's switch it up to high knees. Bring your knees up towards your chest, one at a time. Think about driving them up high, as if you're stepping over a hurdle. This really gets the heart rate going and engages your core and hip flexors. Keep your back straight and try not to lean back. Use your arms to help you, pumping them in rhythm with your legs. This creates momentum and makes the movement more dynamic. If this is too much, just bring your knees up to hip height. The key is to keep moving. Feel that energy building? That's your body coming alive. We're almost there. Keep pushing. Excellent. Now, let's slow it down a bit and open up those hips with some gate openers. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your right knee up to hip height, then rotate it out to the side, as if you're opening a gate. Place your foot back down, and then repeat on the left side. Lift the left knee, rotate it out and down. This is an amazing dynamic stretch for your hip joints, which is crucial for preventing injury, especially if you're doing squats or lunges later. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Feel that rotation in your hip socket. Now let's reverse it and do some gate closers. Bring your leg out to the side first, then rotate it inward and bring it to the center. Just a few on each side. Time for some arm circles. Stand tall and extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Let's start with small circles forward. Imagine you're drawing little circles in the air with your fingertips. Keep your arms straight and feel the movement originating from your shoulders. This is warming up your rotator cuffs and all the muscles in your shoulders and upper back. After a few seconds, let's gradually make those circles bigger and bigger until you're making full, wide circles. Now, let's reverse the direction. Start with big circles backward, and then gradually make them smaller and smaller until you're back to those tiny circles. You should feel a nice warmth spreading across your shoulders. Great work. Let's move into some torso twists. Stand with your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. You can place your hands on your hips or cross them over your chest. Now, gently twist your upper body from side to side. Let your head and neck follow the movement. This is fantastic for warming up your spine and your obliques. Imagine you're a lighthouse, scanning the horizon. Keep your hips relatively stable and focus the rotation in your upper and mid-back. Don't force the twist. Just go to a comfortable range of motion. We're lubricating the spine and preparing it for more complex movements. Keep breathing, nice and steady. All right, let's get the whole body involved with some jumping jacks. You know this one. Start with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump your feet out wide and simultaneously raise your arms overhead. Then, jump back to the starting position. Let's find a good rhythm. This is a classic for a reason. It's a full-body cardio move that gets your heart rate up quickly and efficiently. Imagine you're a star, expanding and contracting. If the jumping is too high impact, you can do a modified version. Step one foot out to the side while raising your arms, then bring it back and repeat on the other side. The important thing is to keep moving and elevating that heart rate. You're doing fantastic. Now, let's do some walking lunges with a reach. Step forward with your right foot and lower into a lunge, making sure your front knee is directly over your ankle. As you lunge, reach both arms straight up overhead. This deepens the stretch in your hip flexor on the back leg and engages your core for stability. Push off your right foot to stand back up, then step forward with your left foot and repeat the lunge and reach. Alternate legs as you move forward. This is a dynamic stretch that also builds strength and balance. If you don't have space to walk forward, you can just do alternating forward lunges in place. Keep the movement controlled. Next up, inchworms. This is a great one for hamstring flexibility and shoulder stability. Stand at the back of your mat or space. Hinge at your hips and walk your hands out in front of you until you re in a high plank position, like the top of a push-up. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold for a second, then walk your feet in towards your hands, keeping your legs as straight as possible to feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Once your feet are close to your hands, walk your hands back out to the high plank position. Let's repeat this a few times. Walk the hands out, hold the plank, then walk the feet in. This is a full body wake-up call. Almost done. Let's finish with some light and quick feet on the spot. Imagine the floor is hot lava, and you have to move your feet as quickly as possible. Stay on the balls of your feet, keeping the movements small and fast. Pump your arms to help you. This is our final push to get the heart rate right where we want it before your main workout. It sharpens your coordination and gets your central nervous system fired up and ready for action. Let's go. Faster, faster. 10 more seconds. Give it all you've got for this last little burst. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Wow, incredible job. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Shake out your arms, shake out your legs. You have successfully completed your 8-minute immersive cardio warm-up. Your body should feel warm, your muscles activated, and your mind focused. You are now perfectly prepped and ready to crush whatever workout you have planned for today. Remember, a proper warm-up is one of the most important parts of your fitness routine. It prevents injury and helps you perform at your best. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this interactive warm-up, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and let me know in the comments how you're feeling. Have an amazing workout.